Okay, so in today's lesson, we continued learning about how to divide with fractions. And so here we go. It says how many 2/5 are in 2. And so luckily these drawings are to scale, but if you know that there's in fifths, there's 5 pieces here, there's 5 pieces here. And so 2, then 2, then 2, then 2, something like that. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 divided by 2/5 equals 5. And over the next couple days, we're going to figure out quicker ways to do this, but the tape diagram helps you see it. So how many 1/4 are in 3? Oops, what is that? I wanted to draw a box and go 1, 2, 3, and it says fourths. So there's 4 pieces here, 4 pieces here, 4 pieces here. So 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12. And the next one, 3 and 2/5. So, oh, it keeps going to line tool. So let's see if I've got 3, and there's 5 pieces here, there's 5 pieces here, there's 5 pieces here, and then I've got 2/5 left over. And so I'm going to break this up into chunks of 4, would leave me 1 there. I'm going to get 3 here. 2 would be left here, 2 would be left here, and 3, it would go to here. And so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 whole pieces, and then I have 1 piece left over, but each one is a fourth. So I end up with 4 and 1/4. So 3 and 2/5 divided by 4/5 equals 4 and 1/4. Hopefully that works out when I go to check my review screen. Double checking real quick. Yes. And so I go on to the next one. So every 3, I've got 3, another 3, another 3. So I've got 3, and then there's 2 parts left over, but each one is a third. So I end up with 2 and 3, 2 and 2/3. So 11/4 divided by 3/4. Oh, that's just 11/3. Yeah, much easier. I could have divided straight across. 6.5 divided by 3/4. So again with a line, oh, I guess the line tool makes it easier to draw a box. Nah, I don't care. I'm going with the line tool. 6. There's 6 pieces, and I'm going to say I've got a half over here. Then I'm going to break up each one into fourths. So I've got 3/4. There'd be 1 left over. 2. 2 is 1. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 for every 3 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But I have 1 piece left over, and there's 4 in each of those. So 1/4. So I would end up with 8 and 1/4. Nope, how did I mess that one up? Oh, I'm on the wrong one. I'm breaking them up into groups of 3. Let me start fresh. I got distracted. I've got kids in the room. Here we go. Let me do 6 and a half, um, 6 1/2, and 3/4. So each one of these I'm going to break up into 4 pieces. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then there'd be 2 pieces here. And then I break that into 3. I'd have 1 left over. That would be 2. There'd be 1 left over, 3. So I'm getting 4 here. I'm going to get 4 here. And again, I have 2 parts, and there's 4 pieces in each. I'd end up with 8 1/2. Yeah. So let's go old fashioned. You haven't seen this method yet, but 6 1/2 is the same as 13 halves. 3/4 is 3/4. But instead of, when you can't divide straight across, I use what's called KFC. Keep the first, flip the second, change the sign to multiply, and I get, this is way harder than it's supposed to be. But the A, I get 2, I get 26 thirds. 26 thirds is, oh, it's 8 2/3. 8 2/3. Why is it? Oh, because each one is 3 pieces. I'm sorry. Each one it has 3 parts, and so the last 2 is that way. Submit. Okay, and here we go. 3 pounds of rice, 3/4 of a pound. I'm doing pencil. 3 divided by 3/4. And if I've got 3, each one is cut into 4 pieces. And so I get 3. There'd be 2 here. There'd be that. I end up with 4 days, 4 weeks. Okay, and here we go. Oh, spiral review. As a fraction, this is pronounced 1/10. As a percent, that would be 10%. 1/5 is 0.2, or 0.2 if you want, and that is 20%. 140% would be 1.4 as a decimal, and it would be like 14 over 10, or 140 over 100, or 7 over 5, all of those. And there we go. And other than that one, that, because I was thinking it was in 4 parts instead of 3, we're all set.